Everyone, back again. Hope you enjoyed the videos from before. How you all doing, by the way? Got any plans for this long weekend coming? And I bet you're wondering where we are. We're actually at a storage site. So we got the big reveal. Finally, the surprise. Got a new addition to the family, haven't we? Yeah. Tina's just in the car. I'll need you to come and open it up anyway. So do you want to see what we've actually got? There she is. That's our new caravan, isn't it?
Yeah.
Where are you? There you are. So there we go. There's a surprise. New addition to the family. Don't get me wrong, she's an old girl. She's 30 years old next year. But it's only going to be a quick video because we are setting off in a minute because we've just done a few bits and bobs.
We'll show you around it in it next time.
Yeah, we're actually away this weekend tomorrow, funnily enough, which will be Friday. Our first time towing and using it. So I'm not going to do any clips of us driving along because obviously first time towing and I want to see I need to have concentration. So, tell you what we're going to quickly do now. I'm going to give you a quick show around now and some of the work that we've done. And then we'll crack on. So let me turn camera around. Right, as you can see, there she is.
Her name's Ruby.
Yep, name's Ruby. Named her, as they all do with vans. Down this side, I'll tell you, she's straight as anything. Still needs a few jobs doing to it. Like, as you can see, I'll show you my bodge job DIY skills now. Down here, there was a hole. Well, not a hole, it was this part was hanging off. I've put some of that Sikaflex all the way along. Bit of trim missing there. Obviously eventually I need to get a new battery door, but I don't think they're too bad. But she's a 5-berth 1994 Fleetwood. She's an old girl. At the back I've had a struggle seeing. I've even managed to sand all my corner steadies and put feet on as well, so it's a bit more stable. Obviously new tyres. If you're wondering what that is, it's not paint. I've actually, because they were a bit rusted, I've put some, I've sanded them down and I've shoved some, undersill. Same as I did with the corner steadies. Obviously I'm not going to show you the locker, there's nothing really in there as important apart from the gas bottles. Where's Tina gone? She's in the car, I need the car keys. And I'll quickly show you inside. Got car keys. It's only a quick show around. Say hello.
Hello. It's taking you now.
Ah, be alright. So I'll quickly show you inside. This side as well. Look, birds are loving me just lately. Look at this. That's a great big dollop of bird poo. Like the last video, bird poo in the car. And I decided to poo on the caravan. So I've done all the steadies. They're all nice and tidy. New wheel this side as well. So let's get you inside. Oh, and here as well, because there's a bit of a gap here. There's a big one here, because you can see where the awning rail is. It's a bit broken here, so it looks like it's had a knock. But I've sealed all down here. But obviously we're not going to be using this bit, we'll do it from the front and up anyway. Right, I'll just open the door. Little hook up there. It's like a barn door, stable door, it opens two ways. There's the new awning down there. I've got to do a review of that actually. Hang on. Oh. We've just had a quick clean because obviously we're in a rush. Right, so there we go. It's had all new flooring put in. That's our new awning. I'm going to tell you about that after, if I remember. But I'm going to be doing a review on that. It hasn't been given to us. I've bought it. So anyway, it might be a little bit dark in here because the curtains are shut because we're on the storage and we're about to leave. Ignore them, I've just used them for kneeling down on the floor. So this should have had an L-shape lounge, but the last owner's converted it into a double bed. We're going to get a mattress topper for here anyway and probably stiffen that up a little bit actually, because when me and Tina sit on it, it don't feel safe. And then the bunk bed unfolds just there, comes along the rail, and that mattress there goes on top. We've got stuff in a few cupboards and that. You wonder, oh, there's not a lot of stuff in here. It's because we've actually packed it all away. There's that side. As you can see, look, she's already started decorating it. You can't really see him at the minute, but look, Dumbo. As you all know, she's in Dumbo. She's even put stickers up there. I've actually got something to go here. I've actually tried a few things. So what I've done is Sikaflex that, because that's going up there where it was, because it fell down whilst we were driving. You got your wardrobe, like there, look, see? The Dumbo stickers, everything's in there at the minute though, because what I'm planning on doing here is there's a little shelf thing. So I've got to make a shelf in there, and then all this will basically be out here, because this is all going to go in the awning anyway. So I've still got that to do. Obviously we've got the gas fire there, but the thing is, the bottom keeps coming off and I can't put it back on, and I need to get a knob for it as well at some point, but coming in the summer now, so we don't need it. And then the bathroom with just like water tanks and that all in. Obviously she's an old girl, that's the table that comes over here. And obviously the sink, I need to do something with that because it keeps falling. I've just got, because, well, we don't all use a shower in here anyway. You've got your lights. We've got plans for all this anyway. I'm going to modernise it a little bit. And you can buy these battery lights. They just stick on and they charge on USB. So I've got a light obviously in the kitchen. But I'm going to have another one probably put at the back. So when we're, as you all know, we go to some sites with no electric. And instead of me wasting my battery, you can get these stick-on lights that just have got the internal battery, and they run off it, and then you just charge them up and use them. So I'm planning on some of them. I might get 3. I'm planning on putting one under here, that goes under here, one under there, and obviously one at the back here. The lights do work. I've tested them today. I've managed to get the leisure battery sorted, so that's all in now. Everything's working. Fridge and everything runs on gas, and it's quite spotless. And you know, it's 30 years old next year, but we've got big plans for it next year. Obviously we've got our gas stoves because I cook outside. These are going to be getting replaced. I'm having some of them spotlights, the smaller ones, because these have got normal bulbs and not LED, so I'm changing them all out at some point. Fire alarm, always be safe. But no, so I know that everyone's going to hit me for this now. We start our van life trips. It's not really van life, is it? But I don't know if it is. I'm sorry if you can hear noise in the background. Let me turn this back round. That's why you can see I'm all sweaty. Oh. But if you can hear that noise in the background, someone's cutting the grass, you see, in the storage area. So let's pop this all back. So I'm going to talk about this in a second, the awning. I haven't got my tripod, so I'm holding it with my hands, so I've got no microphone or anything. So let me just lock this all up. Problem is now I've got that many keys. I don't know which is which. Hang on. I think it's that one. If not, it'll be the other one. No, it's the other one. Sorry everyone, can't find the right key. Let me get back to you in a second. I found the right key, completely the wrong one actually I was using. So this is going to be used tomorrow on Friday. Well, when you see this video it might actually be tomorrow, because I'm going to have to try and edit this tonight, because obviously we're going tomorrow when the kids finish school. So fingers crossed. So what do you all think? Not bad. She's 30 years old next year, so that means she's 29. But we're planning some big trips in this. That we can't wait. First time in it this weekend. Going away next weekend as well, which we'll tell you about. But that awning, I'll give you a little bit of an example for now. It's a bit like Chris and Sam's. Anyone that's followed this for a bit, it's like a bit like Chris and Sam's, but obviously don't know what sort of quality it's like. I've looked at some reviews, but I got it from Aldi. It's on offer, 130 quid. And I thought £200, it's on offer. Alright. Yeah, Tina's going to wait down there, so... Oh, don't know if you can hear me. Which everyone has that problem on camera, don't they? So... Yeah, so what do you all think? But we're going, obviously, where we're going this weekend, we're going to... Where is it we're going? Blue Dolphin in Filey. A Haven site, believe it or not, this one. We haven't been to a Haven site before. We've done Park Dean, but we ain't done a Haven yet. So first time towing, first time user, see how we get on. First time putting an awning up, which I'm going to do a little review about it, only a quick one. But yeah, if you wanted a cheap awning, check that one out on Aldi's website. 130 quid at the minute, or it's £200 when there's no offer on. But obviously we'll do a review, see what you all think. So I hope you like this, but we've got plenty of adventures with this to come now. Can't wait. Bit nervous about towing it, but when we towed it from where I picked it up from to here, obviously I didn't do too bad at all. So yeah, that's it for now, everybody. We will see you on the next one, which will be very soon, because we're going away, but I'm not sure when it's going to be, because obviously going there, then I've got to come back, edit it all. So the next video will be Friday with us actually on the site and first time towing it. So you'll soon see how we get on. We've had a few new subscribers as well, so thank you very much. We really appreciate it, and it means the world to us. It really does. Tina's waiting for me now because she wants to nip to Asda. I'm hoping you can hear me anyway with this tractor in the background cutting the grass. But anyway, do all the good stuff. Give us a subscribe, give us a like, give us a comment. I answer all the comments, as you know. If you go in the comment section, you'll see it all on there. I always answer everybody back. So anyway, you all take care. We'll see you on the next one, and love you all to bits. Ta-da for now.